interested in your hand in marriage.
But this man is too old now.
Shut up your mouth. Don't you know the story of Regina Daniel with Nduka? Somebody's about to change our life.
I get it, it's you.
Get out of this. Go. My in-law.
What's up, my people? On a date, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, like I always tell you guys, make sure you watch my video to the very end, because sometimes the best and the most iconic moments are left for the last scene, you understand? So make sure you always watch to the very end. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time and you are here to subscribe, now you the me, so not be me, so make sure to subscribe, you understand? Drop nice comments and make sure to share this video. So without saying much, let's go have some fun. Mazi, okay.
Uncle Nami.
Mazi don't run mad.
Idiot. Shebi said you can know if you catch you. They follow him the whole shoulder.
No, wow.
I bet where are your G-Wagon? Where the kid dey? Idiot. Go market. Now they mad people they do.
It's a prank.
You mean no catch you.
I want to catch who don't make up. P, I beg, come and trust me. Yeah, this is my makeup artist. Yeah.
These two guys, I don't just understand them at all.
Okay, again.
Some people do.
Madness for future move.
These two people, I don't know what to be their problem. They always
Papa,
do like mumu.
Papa, I agree to.
Hey! Now you're changing with this, Jare. Okay, now change with this.
Another Papa.
I beg, let me use the chance. Give this brush for your toothpaste. Make it to the brush. I beg. I don't know why human being go your big get beer mouth to the smell. You dey greet me with smelly mouth. Expect make I answer your greeting. And now I die.
Go yo. So they don't get two old men now.
Powerful.
Can you money has never bought? Let's do this thing and go. I have not said my cat since the morning because I do not go use this amount of just on my customer because I don't know.
Oh, Baba no brush now.
Are you still there? Jesus!
Oh, now two old men now we get to. Two old men. This guy no get sense. This guy really mumu. Ajay. Please share this video, guys.
This
share
man
it.
here.
Nasboi.
Interested in your hand in marriage.
But this man is too old now.
Shut up your mouth. Don't you know the story of Regina Daniel with
Nduka.
Somebody's about to change our life.
I get it, it's you.
Get out of this.
You should say get money.
My in-law.
Another Regina Daniels.
Okay. You see now, new chassis.
Okay.
It's for you to go and prepare. Bring their people. You understand? Bring everything that you need to bring so that we can commence the marriage. I beg you to take my leave. Thank you. Okay. Let me see you off now. Thank you very much, my in-law.
I must see old man. Old man, where old pass you? You should say this one get money. I don't trust this old man. No, I can't come.
Excuse me. I thought I was supposed to see like luxurious cars with army or
Or police.
I don't have any car. This is my bike.
Jesus. This is your bike. I know what you are trying to do.
Prank. It is not
You
a
are a
prank.
billionaire.
By the grace of God.
But you are disguising. Because when you come to people's house, they will now send you away. Then you will now go away. Later, you will now confirm to us that you are a billionaire. I can never do that. This thing is script, Nollywood script.
If I hear, Papa no get money. Few years later.
Afternoon. Easy.
Papa, I'm so free, no way.
Suffer today, enjoy tomorrow. Let me tell you. You see that man? If you decide to leave now, tomorrow now he now confess that he's a billionaire. Are we not the one that will lose?
Because if not for you that is bringing all these things, we would have Papa, please, I'm very, very tired. I can't continue.
There's a milk here.
Oh.
So
you are the one feeding your daughter in the hope that the man is a billionaire and he's hiding it.
But thank you.
Nasboi, your sense, I don't know where you do.
My in-law, my daughter said you are not feeling fine and you have some things to tell us.
My in-law.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. If not for you, I would have died long time ago.
Don't mention. The things that I did for you, I did it for God. Then with expectation. Okay, I can hear you.
This guy no get sense.
I want to hand over to you. First is the bike.
Please go to the second one. Go to the second one.
Secondly, there's a document in my room.
Patience is a virtue. My brother, continue.
The document is the paper of my bike.
Hey!
Me, I like fine girls. The ones where they wear short skirts. Me, I like fine girls. Fine girls like Ada Star.
Hello, good morning, sir. Can I please ask you a question?
What?
Can I ask you a question?
You can.
What do you think of people who cheat on their partners? Do you think they're humans? What do you think?
People that what?
Cheat on their partners.
Cheat on their
Are they
partners.
mad? Are they okay? How can you be in a relationship and you are cheating? Are you man? Do you cheat?
No.
Talk the truth. Do you cheat?
No, sir.
So why are you asking such questions if you don't cheat? You must be a cheater.
Have you cheated in your past relationship?
How can I cheat in my past relationship? I don't do cheating. Cheating is not my thing. It is very wrong, humanly wrong, godly wrong, and biblically wrong. You don't do such a thing because how can you be in a relationship and you are sharing your body?
Are you currently in a relationship?
I am. I have 3 girlfriends, but I don't cheat on them. It is wrong for anybody to be in a relationship.
Cheating is wrong, but you get 3 girlfriends.
I have 3 girlfriends, but I don't cheat on them. It is wrong for anybody to
Osasu,
be cheating in a relationship. Okay?
Do they know that you are dating the 3 of them?
The 3 both of them?
Yeah.
The 3 or the 4 of the 3 of them?
The 3 of them.
How can they know? It is unwise for you to have 3 girlfriends and let the other one and let them know each other.
That's cheating now.
Thank you, sir.
Stop
cheating. Okay, you don't get sense. So.
Wow, babe, this place is so nice.
Me, I don't get money for this kind of place.
Calm down now, they're affordable.
Talkless.
Good afternoon. I got you guys online. Please, we would like to get WCs for our new house.
Yes, we are the best when it comes to plumbing and building material. Come, let me show you people around.
Okay, I'm not getting money like that. God, I have blessings from you.
Talkless, you know they waste time to talk to you.
No be you, my brother. This one na smart WC. You don't need to stress yourself if you should finish. See am, let me show you. See am.
Remote for toilet.
Come out, wash your bum for you.
Babe, this is the one.
Why are you wicked?
Okay, I'll cost you a small, babe.
Babe, come. Chidima has in the house. Don't you remember?
Are you whining yourself?
Very, very affordable.
Boss, hold on.
Let's have it.
Na toilet, I won't buy, no be WC.
Jesus.
Na expensive shit, they shit now.
Expensive shit.
Babe, they have a jacuzzi.
We have mirror here. We have shower room. We have gas burner here. You understand? It's very, very much. Come, let me show you another place. Who place?
Talkless no get money.
Hey, is it not part of their fizzy?
Which your fizzy?
Just say go call Peruzzi, make up perform for us. I want to see it, man. Okay, I come show me the toilet. I want to buy Jerry. Okay, come see the toilet what we get for this side. You have
this is advert actually. This is advert.
See this one too.
Babe, I don't like any of these ones, Joe.
Jesus.
This other one I prefer. I don't know why you be going to that side.
This is plain. That's what you want?
Yes.
So you don't check everything around, that's what you like?
Yes, my style.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this one.
No, well, they come my piece.
Baba, run.
Don't buy them. If you please. My bro, if I piece for here, I don't get peace of mind. Now go piece outside. Get patron for them. Because now go piece outside.
Very, very fine.
You won't run.
Okay now.
God have mercy upon us.
Talkless won't run. The man jackpot. You go wait for entire. You never see anything. But you don't get money.
Okay, hello. Are you not done?
I don't go too fast.
He shot you.
Please, how much is it I'm paying?
You have to have capacity.
Talkless won't run. Mumu. Dry cleaner.
Come. Oga bros, good afternoon.
Who goes in there, man? No be my suits where I give you, may you wash and iron for me. Now you dey wear come out.
I go come back. I just dey go somewhere.
Shebi you talk say you never wash am.
No get na Oga bros. Abeg, I go come back now.
Me, I calm down.
Person close you here because say they
I
do
tell you
that.
this cloth was dirty and you wash it and can you imagine? It's smelling, it's not even dry. Jesus!
Alhaji, what happened now? See color I give you now. One color, why you be two color now? You said me dry cleaner.
Which kind of dry cleaner be this one? Mumu won't run, they don't catch him.
Hello, Philip.
Yeah, hello.
Philip, I beg, I need your help. Nah.
What's happening?
Philip, I be one enter bus where they go Oshodi.
Okay.
As I reach bus stop, now I hear the conductor. They shout, Osho. I say, it be like na stammerer because you know complete the D.
Okay.
Now I enter inside the bus, so as soon as they go small sleep, just carry me. 4 hours later, I wake up.
4
we
hours.
never still reach Oshodi. Now I need to tell the conductor, say, conductor, now Oshodi, I won't stop. Conductor say, Nibo. Say, now Oshogbo in the go. Oshogbo. When they talk to you now, I know Oshogbo.
You know Oshogbo.
I don't know whether you go fit.
You don't cut out. You go fit send 1K. 1,000 naira.
Lagos.
And now 1,000 naira. Mumu don't enter Oshogbo from Oshodi. Mumu. Where your bike? You will carry your bike go back, don't worry. Now bike you will take go. You take leg go back, don't worry.
He has done me well,
Mecco.
hallelujah. He has done me well, hallelujah. He has did it all, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
When person see you now, they go think say the angels in heaven they carry this your song they give God. They
These
no
two
go know say
people.
they drop your song for gate. Then I know yes, you focus. They do like
these
say na
two
better thing you they do. People they carry source of income, come out, bring income. Your own, you go carry source of income, come out, bring outcome. I don't want to say me poverty dispenser, outcome dispenser, or able. You need to ever go front. Now back, you they stay. Come out from my compound. Tell her,
These two people, I don't understand the kind of husband and wife that these two people do.
Pom 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 ta-na-ta-na-na-na pom. You're a temptation.
Yes, you they think from there, your mouth they smell. You brush your teeth. Now this kind of your teeth they make customers know they meet you. That's the way see you now go see say you be provider. They not gonna say you be devourer. Get out. Any say meow. Low budget Michael Jackson. Hey boy Michael Jackson.
Low budget Michael Jackson.
Upwa. Hey.
These two people, I don't understand.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Ashawo boy. You don't know where you are going.
You don't see woman.
Your eye go clear just now if you not repent.
Hello. Hello, I'll be first now. Excuse me.
Any problem?
No, now move from the road now. Sorry, let me introduce myself. My name is Mecco Joseph.
Okay, so what's the issue?
When I saw you, I said this is beauty. As a man, you need to talk to beauty in the morning before going out.
Okay.
I'm a fashion designer. You know Yomi Casual?
Yes, I do.
He was my boy. He was
Jesus.
The wife don't catch up.
Why party? He stole my material.
Really?
Yes. You know Sheivudi?
Yes, I
He was working with me, but he stole my fabrics during COVID-19. Yeah.
But you don't look like one. I'm not even sure you have had anything to eat this morning.
You never chop, sister. You never chop. No
I'll
matter.
help you. You have met your destiny helper.
Jesus.
Your wife don't catch up. Your wife don't catch up.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Do you know you can make money with your smartphone?
How?
Yes. Let me introduce you to Coach Kingsley. He's an affiliate marketer.
Coach
With
Kingsley.
Coach Kingsley, you can be making $100 to $500 every week.
Carrying this
Just
thing
by
they go.
promoting useful products online. And you don't even need any prior qualification. Just click the link in the comment section.
Carrying sewing machine they go, I beg.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Carrying they go.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
also I can make $100 to $500 weekly by just clicking the link in the comment section to join their group.
Yes.
Finish. Hey, avenue for me to be a millionaire, oh, and to carry all this in the walk up and down.
I've helped you. Eh? Take this information very serious. Information is key.
Yeah, information is key.
Small girls up and down.
Now so you now go run enter unquenchable fire. You don't know where you are going. I share wo boy.
I know fear. Person where I call husband. But I talk say na source of outcome. He carry something go there. They talk to Ada Decibel. They go the whom waffle. Hey. Oh wow.
Oh God.
They don't go there. Hey. Oh Lord. God have mercy.
Man, why you carry
I'm not crying this month. Is it not tears? Hey. Hey wo. They don't collect them.
They don't collect waiting them collect.
The sewing machine. 3 boys. Young boys. They're at least 25 years. They come out of them, we are black. They collect my machine like this. Collect the money, I don't work. Collect that net of plan and wait here for under here. They collect them.
Hey! Hello, Chineke, why you?
This guy can lie.
Now so you now go run enter unquenchable fire.
Now my sewing machine.
Now your sewing machine. Now who be that yellow man on the top for road?
Nah, my cousin.
Now your cousin will wear eyelash. Eh? Cousin will wear bonnet. Ada Jezebel you bomb shots. Now he be your cousin. The poverty wait there for your family go see any of your cousin get money to buy bomb shots.
How dare you? How dare you become the source of my income? Who tell me about my sewing machine?
Just imagine.
You still get mouth to talk. Your mouth see the rap. Your typewriter mouth see the rap. You are not even sorry for what you did. You can wheel and now walk opaka. You go come carry out.
I shoot from here.
You know what? You smoke. You
smoke? You are stopping me from the source of my progress. Eh? Machine where you sew senator clothes, governors, and councillors. Now you stop me from.
Councillor Yegile. Before you go carry this machine, you get them 5,000.
And that's why I can't want to trade. Let me carry my machine.
You go bail her because I don't see them.
Get out from here.
Get out from my bed.
Hey! Hey! Jesus. You're not strong, but I will still beat himself.
This world can be something else.
You too stubborn, make I know you my house.
This guy no get sense. Mecco no get sense. Nothing you want to tell me.
Brother.
Yes?
Brother.
What is it now?
Somebody touch my bonbon. Somebody touch my bonbon.
Somebody touch her bonbon.
Wait.
The girl get bonbon. She really get bonbon. She has a bonbon on the sheet.
Anybody there, I have my keeper.
The one that touched my bonbon. Brother, it's him.
Why your brother can't fight for you? I'm gonna leave here. Go to the worry you.
Jesus.
You don't enter, Lord, this you. You don't enter, Wala.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Before people will come here, I could have killed a lot.
What's up? Oh God, the guy Mumu, all of them are moving fast. All of you are just crazy. Oh God. Thanks guys for sticking to the very end. I believe you enjoyed it, because me, I really enjoyed it. Like I always tell you, if you're yet to subscribe, you are missing. You are really missing. You understand? So don't forget to drop nice comments and share this video. And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Check them out. See you in the next one. Peace out.